Have you ever seen a home situated in Clinton, Maryland that's like a retreat surrounded by trees? My name is Carolyn Fleary with eXp Realty. We're at this lovely 4-bedroom home in Clinton that's near Branch Avenue and 495. Take a look inside. Let me show you guys around. What I really love about this home are the granite countertops here in the kitchen and the island, the dark vinyl plank flooring, the stainless steel appliances, and just the way that the room is open and airy. We have a dining room here, along with our beautiful bright living area with a window that lets in all of this natural light. Let me show you the next area. All right, so our next area features our hallway bathroom and our 3 bedrooms. Let's check them out. So come along, let's check out downstairs. This is one of my favorite areas down in the lower level. One of my favorite features is this fireplace and the window that's letting in all of this natural light. Here in the back area, it's very large. You can use it as your family room or anything that your heart desires. And right over there, we have a laundry closet. Convenient. Let's go to the next area. Okay, so here we have our 4th bedroom or flexible space. Treat it as your guest area, your office, and we also have a convenient full bath here as well. And what's even more perfect is this 1-car garage, and you have your own personal parking space. Let's check out the backyard. And one of the biggest selling points of this home is this large backyard with our unfinished deck, covered patio, and your large barn that you can use as your hobby house or your workplace. I would love to show you this beautiful property in person. Contact me today.